So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me, how can you actually turn off the Apple Watch? So many of you have seen the options, but really don't know why sometimes you can't actually turn it off and sometimes you can't. Well, okay, it's very, very important that it isn't charging, okay? So once it isn't charging, you click here, the actual button on the right-hand side. So I'm gonna do it again in case many of you haven't actually seen it. So basically you press it, few seconds, and it vibrates and it says siren, medical ID, compass, and emergency. So basically you click this button, you click power off, and automatically it will turn off. Now to turn it back on, you simply wait a few seconds and push this button right here back on, and automatically you'll see the actual Apple logo, and that just means that you're turning it on. The other option would be also if you press this actual button right here, it will also turn on, okay? And as always, if you've got any questions, just let me know in the comments, and as always, thank you very much for watching.